Take my hand, take my hand.
This is New Cross Road. That's where I come from. It's Pomelokshin. That's what we do. We're entertainers. We've been doing things around. You've seen us, culture all around Cape Town, even to the mother city down there in Central. We've been rocking Tottenham, rocking Philip, we've been rocking everywhere around Cape Town. We've got a gig coming up on the 16th of June. It's next week this time. How many days we've got to go? We've got 4 days to go, 5 days to go. It's going to be a rocking show. We've got Mulamti, we've got PAT, we've got LSP, we've got Pinpool, we've got Siba Novel. The show will be packed, you know. I'll be bringing you the latest my music, my love, and I'll be sharing it with you from the bottom of my heart. Make sure you're there so you can enjoy it.